rolly on my head. You know. So guys, I'm very excited to do this with you guys. I've never done this before, but we have to be trying. Oh god, this is going to take for ages, isn't it? This is why I don't even trust Apple to do this, because it makes it all like a fish. Yeah, it makes it all like a fish. I got the rolly. Guys, with the I got a rolly. Okay, protection. Guys, I know this is a very long story, but whoa, they truly updated this game, bro. I got that banner, rolly. Okay, you know, even though today we're going to the McLaren P1. Neil's probably jealous. I want to get that now. Yo, there's a crew. Yo, we. Must be sexy. Guys, I got the rolly. Guys, I don't believe it, but I stole it. Yeah, I know all the updates. I got the rolly. You don't even go. David, keep that going to your channel, 'cause nobody's gonna like it. Oh, they will, Grandpa. Guys, we need to... Look, Neil just said Alice is giving him Robux. Guys, he's a liar, so do not trust him. There's my dad's back. Yay. Oh, guys, I didn't even know, but this is such an embarrassing moment. But when I got the what's it called again? What's it called? So hard to decide. I think it was called the Buddy 2. Yeah, it gives you ads or verified your account, but I don't use that anymore. I used to, but in my old channel, but I like it, rolly. I'm damn good. Nobody likes Rolexes, bro. We have to keep that streak alive, bro. Oh, we got... I'm speaking clear. Nobody's... I did a rolly on my head. Everything's gonna be good. Good to my best friend. This looks like Halloween and that one time. I got the rolly on my head. You don't even want to go because you don't even want to go to the... Guys, Neil wishes to have the McLaren P1. Oh, whoa. You're Tamaranian, bitch. Oh, I'm sorry I swear, guys. I misspelled didn't see that. Very concerned. What the f did you do? What the did you do? Guys, push that bucket. Guys, I'm putting the bills right here. I'm putting the bills, but this is not normal, right? Guys, screencast flow sucks. I got a rolly. I forgot the rolly. Follow me on Musical.ly, bitch. Let's see. Let's go to the auto shop. I busted this thing out already, guys. If she don't know what's a Dodge Charger, so this is the Macron P1. I don't care right now. I got it rolling, yabba, cause you know what I'm rolling. But me, cause you don't even wanna roll me, cause you don't wanna more. I got it rolling. You think it? I got the charger, bro. Yeah, it does like wheelies and stuff. Look at that. Oh, backflips, baby, yo. I got the backflip, back. My name, you know, we know. Yo, I landed it like a mouse. Yo, that's cheeky. Yo, bro. You backflips, bruh. I'm about to charge it, bitch. Guys, I'm sorry I'm showing my videos, but it's alright. Maybe get the pen. Wait, what? You want me to pay you credit? But let me credit. Guys, I'm actually. Yo, but I'm going to the crew with the crew. Guys, with the Dodge Charger, nothing can hurt me. This is going. I'm gonna rolling, go to mask, cause you don't even know. Cause I don't feel good, bro. That is the perfect ending for the video. That's the perfect ending for the video, guys. Goodbye.